Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right here we've got the resolution option, so let's tap on it. Here we've got three sizes: UHD, FHD and HD. And we can also change frames per second. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately highlighted after tapping on it, and it means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.